In this video, you'll learn how to upload files to Dropbox. Once you log into Dropbox.com, you can go ahead and click Home in the top left just to make sure that we're in a familiar spot. You will see a upload button just under Home. It should be blue. Go ahead and click on that, and you can either upload a specific file or you can upload a folder. In this case, I'm going to be clicking on Folder. I'm going to locate that folder and click Upload. All right, now you'll get a little warning. This will upload all files from this folder. Only do this if you trust the site. We're going to go ahead and click Upload. Now, if you have folders already created, you can pick a specific folder that you would like to upload, this to. If you just like to upload it to your general Dropbox, you can go ahead and click Upload. Now it's going to begin uploading. And once these files are uploaded, you will be able to view them and share that folder to anyone on your team. Hopefully this was helpful. We do have a Dropbox playlist along with hundreds of free tutorials in all kinds of softwares online.